So hey everyone, this is Nabil Khan, and in this video we are going to talk about the static word in Java, what are static methods and what are static variables. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So now let's see what is static keyword in Java. So let's see the definition of the static word. So the static word means that the property in a class which do not depends upon the object and we can directly access without creating an object. So static words defines that a property which do not depends upon the object, we can directly access that property without creating an object. So this is the meaning of static. So what are static variables? That is, variables that are static can be accessed without creating an object or without referring to an object. So the variables which we can access directly without creating an object are known as static variables. So I will explain you with the code with an example. So I'll open my IntelliJ IDE and then I'll make a new package and I will name this package as static keyword, and then I'm going to make a new class and I will name this class as human, and then I'll make the main method, and then I'll make another method which will be our static method. So static int, and I will name this method as product, and I'll pass two integer, int a and int b, and I'll just return a multiply b, and this is a static method, so I can directly access this method. So I'll just print a product and I will pass two integers 4 and 7, and I will run this, so it will give me 28. So this is a static method and we can directly access this method. So let's create three variables: int age, int salary, and int name. So I'll give the salary as static, and this is static variable. So I'll comment out this and then I'll out salary, and if I give the value as 15,000, so I can access this variable directly in the main method. So it is giving 15,000. So this is, if I remove the static, then it will give me an error because non-static variables cannot be accessed directly. We need to create an object. Let's create an object, human equals to new human and human dot salary. Sorry, I had to print this out, human dot salary, and I'll run this, so it will give me 15,000. So yeah, that's all about it. Hope you liked the video.